Hey Rebecca, so I just wanted to walk you through the site a little bit and first show you some changes I've made. This will be easier for you. You could just pause this video when you need to, and it'll help you learn how to upload products and upload the text you want in these sections, such as like what you want to see in here and in here. I think it's pretty close, but you may want to do some editing yourself. But first I'll just show you some changes I made. So I built this out, the doTERRA page. I built this out, and if you want to put another photo there, let me know. I just took this from the doTERRA website, and I put this little blurb there from their About section, and then there's a link to your website here, your doTERRA website. So that's there, and then on the home page, I just built out, or I just cleaned it up a little bit. I took out the customer service part that was here, and I added to the newly featured items these two. And so those are some changes that I've made. And so those are the changes. Oh, and I built the legal pages are all connected, and the FDA disclaimer is the same FDA disclaimer from the book you had mentioned. So that's all built out and ready to go. And so let's go real quickly into the site. So when you log into the site, you're going to probably come to this page. I'm just going to show you how it works a little bit. Oh, and my computer is acting super slow, so that's going to be kind of annoying. Okay, wait. When you log into the site, you're going to come to this page right here. This is what it's going to look like. And so you want to come over here to Online Store to get into the store. Click on that. And then you're going to want to come here to Customize. So this will take you to the home page here, and if you want to change any of text in the home page, such as this, that's all done over on this side. So what you're looking for over here, this is the site we built over here. What you're looking for is rich text. So if you just click on this, it'll show you which rich text that is. So that's your About section. So we want to go below that to the next rich text, which would be, oh wait, so this is image with text. Okay, so if you want to change this, you would click on this, image with text, and then you'd come over to this side, and here is where you would edit it. So it's basically you just go over here and you click on all of these, and over here is where you'd edit it. So you just come in here and put in whatever you want, and then it'll change it there. And then make sure to press save when you're done. So, like, let's see. So I'll put a period here. So you can see, then you go up here and press save. So that's how you change the text on the home page. And you might just want to go in here and put, in the future, change it to however you want it to be. So now let's go, and I'm going to show you how to upload products. So to get back to that section, you're going to come up here and go to Exit. And now you're on your dashboard again, and here is where all your products are. So here are all your products. So if you want to go into your products and edit anything, you'll just click on this. And you can go in and edit any of the text here. You're also going to want to make sure that you have this button clicked to track quantity for any products that you upload, because that's going to then the product will show up in your inventory, and I'll show you how that works in a moment here. So yeah, that's how you edit a product. How you upload a product is how you upload a product is you go to here, you add product, and then you, whatever the title is, add whatever photo you want, whatever description you want. You go down here, you add the price, etc., etc. Make sure it's on track quantity, and that's pretty much it. It's pretty self-explanatory once you're in there. And then I will show you how your inventory works. So, and also when you're adding products, you want to make sure that it's on active. You'll see inside there's a section that says active or draft. You want to make sure it's on active, otherwise it won't show up on your site. All your products are active right now. We want to go into the inventory and see what products. So yeah, you have all your products in the inventory at the moment. I'm pretty sure they're all in here. So inventory is something that you're going to want to learn how to manage. And so basically, you just come in here and you set how many pieces you have of this and these products. So right now it's saying, you have about 100 here, but you can go like this if you want to say you have less, which I'm pretty sure for a lot of these you have. I don't know why it's saying you have so many of these actually. That's just kind of weird. But you just go down here to however many of these you have. So it's kind of annoying. It's saying there's 1,000 of these. Let's see. I think you can just go like this too. So you go. Here. Set. There you go. You just go to set. I've never really been on the product side of this, so. On the selling product side of this, I've only been on the development side of this. So for these, you just go to set. Go to set, however many products you have. 3, save. Boom. Okay, so that's what you do. You go to set. 3, save. So you're just going to have to go in there and learn how to manage your inventory. Go to set. However many products you have of each bracelet, necklace, earring, whatever, you just do that. Okay, so those are those things, and we can, if you have any more questions, I can make you another video. That's a good start for you, though. Go and get your inventory settled and get the text how you want it to look and sound. All right, and there's also a link for anything you need. You just YouTube it. Okay.